How to install SOS Wi-Fi adapter. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through on how to install SOS Wi-Fi adapter. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. So first thing first, you need to ensure your adapter is compatible with your operating system and has an available USB port or PCI slot. The second thing you need to do is USB adapter. Plug it into a USB port. Now you need to simply turn off the computer, insert the card into a PCI slot and power it back on your PCI adapter. Once you do that, you need to install drivers. Use the included CD or download drivers from the Asus support website. For plug and play adapters, drivers may install automatically. Now you have to connect to Wi-Fi. Select your network from the Wi-Fi menu, enter the password and connect. Now, ensure correct drivers are installed. Check device managers or network preferences for Mac operating system. Adjust the adapter's position if the signal is weak, and you are all set. With this, you will successfully install Asus Wi-Fi adapter. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.